Hello everyone, this is Ryan Burnett, real estate agent, greater Memphis, Tennessee area. Just wanted to show you a quick walkthrough, what would be considered a final walkthrough. When you buy new construction or existing construction, you'll have a final walkthrough. On your final walkthrough with the builder, you'll go around with him or the builder's designated anybody, and just simply put blue tape over any minor, major blemish that you got for them to correct before you move into your new home or existing home. Now, you wouldn't put tape all over someone's house that they're living in and they're selling and going somewhere else. For this is strictly on new construction. You'll walk around, and anything you find, I would highly recommend you bring your agent as well. They may see some things that you don't, and point out, any little blemish. We don't live in a perfect world, so even new construction, we're not going to find a perfect house, but as close as we can get to it. You want to find anything that's wrong. You'll still have, typically, it's a 1-year builder's guarantee. Anything goes on in that year, call your builder, they'll come out to fix it. I wouldn't call them every time one thing goes on unless it's major and you need it fixed, but when you get a list of 5-10 items, I would call them and have them come out and correct it. But on your final walkthrough, after you go through the process of looking at homes, finding the home you want, making the offer on it, getting your offer accepted, going through the whole loan process and all of that fun stuff, finally will come the day to where you're just about ready to move in, and you'll do your final walkthrough, and you'll go around and stick this tape everywhere that you see anything that is wrong, and have them come out and fix it. Now, it's just dirty here, little imperfections here to me. You definitely want that fixed, although you could just kind of scrape that off, but it's not your job to do that. You're paying good money for this home, so you want to have the builder come out and do it and have it corrected, have it fixed. We need some tape right here. So yeah, but very, very nice home. But I say, we don't live in a perfect world, so there's going to be some things that are going on with it, and you want to get them fixed. So anyhow, this is new construction, and we're in Oakland, Tennessee, just a suburb east of Memphis. If I can help you at all in any way, please don't feel free. Please feel free to reach out anytime if I can help you at all. Email Ryan at yourrealtorryan.com, 901-461-6357. Feel free to reach out, even if you don't need me as your agent, but if you have any questions at all with real estate investing, if I can help you out, I'll point you in the right direction with any friend, colleague that I know in any industry related to real estate. I hope you all have a good day, and God bless everyone. We are New Year's Eve 2023, so 2024 is less than 24 hours away, less than 12 hours away actually. God bless all.